What is up, guys? It's your boy Jose Flores here with the first video for this truck build. It's not the one I necessarily wanted to make as the first one, but it is what it is. So the issue we're having right now is it's making some weird noises down where the torque converter is at. Background information on this truck. It's a 2004 Chevy Silverado single cab. As you can see, it comes with the 5.3 4060 and all that. And the issue we're having right now is that it's making a weird clunky noise underneath where the torque converter is at. And as soon as you put it in drive or reverse, it starts making a hissing noise and then clunking. It's kind of weird. And this started yesterday. Another thing I noticed as well is I don't have fourth gear at the moment, and going to third gear starts slipping. Also, the main one I noticed was as soon as I go to a complete stop, it barely wants to move. Like, it does move, but it's like it takes time to get up to speeds. It feels like there's some resistance down low. But I'll be showing you right now how what the symptoms are, and everything's all fine. There's barely, well, there's no noise coming from down there at the moment. But as soon as I hit reverse or drive, it started making a noise. I don't know if the mic's gonna be able to pick it up that well, but hopefully it picks it up. You go into neutral or park and it doesn't make it, but as soon as I put it in drive, it's making that noise. This video is just going to be showing the symptoms I have for the past day or so. I'll be keeping you updated on what happens, but I won't be dropping that transmission on this truck. If not, I'll be taking out the motor, because that was the plan from the beginning, taking out the motor and swapping it with another one I have. And since this happened, that's easier for me to just take out the motor, swap out the converter for another one instead of dropping that transmission. But I'll be keeping you updated on this build. But this is going to be the first video for this truck, and hopefully it helps out a lot of people out there. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.